Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a super quick Valentine's Day makeup look. Starting off, we are spraying the face with a Rare Beauty setting and priming spray. Next we are going to go in with the Rare Beauty foundation. I have really been liking this foundation over the past little bit. I tested it out in my previous video and it just feels like a your skin but better type foundation. I really like it. Let me know in the comments if you guys like it too. Of course, we have to go in next with the Rare Beauty Concealer. Of course, the two shades that I have are a little bit off from each other, but I do find that they blend really nicely together, especially for if I'm going for a little bit more of a natural look. I do like using my Jaclyn Hill foundation brush to blend everything in. It's the same brush that I use pretty much on an everyday basis when I am doing my makeup. I'm going in next with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I do like to set my face with this. I did try to do it sort of like an all natural with no setting powder, but for me it just works better to set my face. Of course, contour has to happen next. I can't go wearing makeup without some contour. I've been loving, this is the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. This is honestly one of my favorites. I have hit pan on it and I do plan on repurchasing it once I am out, but I do want to finish that up. I always have to bronze up the forehead, gotta make it all look nice and even. I am going in with a little bit of blush just to warm up the face. I really do like the way that blush kind of finishes the face look, obviously before we add some highlighter. Time to fill in those brows. For some reason, this also just completes the eye look. I like to do this before my eyeshadow because I find that it makes me kind of get the bigger picture. So I am using the Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette for this look. What I would recommend is just grabbing any colors that you have in your collection that would work well. We are starting off with just a very basic, for me it's a skin tone color that I can add to the eyelids just to make sure I have that nice base ready to go for the colors. Next, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I'm just dipping into sort of like a neutral brown color to kind of add some depth to the crease before we move on to this really nice berry shade. I do like this one. It kind of just warms up the look and makes it seem like a little bit more romantic. It's not often you see this sort of berry shade on eye looks. Be sure to add a little bit to underneath the lash line on the bottom before going in with like a very chocolate brown. This is taking it more on the crease and into the lid to really add that depth that this look needs. And then of course adding a little bit to the bottom. I'm going back into the Tati Beauty eyeshadows. I'm taking this super cute pink glitter shimmer color. What I'd recommend for this is just grabbing any shimmer that you want to use from your collection and just adding it with your finger. I find using my fingers helps to make things pop a little bit more than if I were to use a brush, especially if you are using this Tati Beauty palette. Next up is lashes. I'm going in just quickly with my eyelash curler and then I'm going to be adding the NARS mascara. It was my first time using this. I actually really like it. I had got it in a sample kit and I actually just really like trying out these little sample size mascaras, especially because I'm not wearing it every day like I was before. And of course we have to add a lip. I love using these Bite Beauty plumping lip glosses. I find that especially this color, it makes my lips just feel a little bit more juicy and plump. You want that plumpness and juiciness for Valentine's Day, of course. I also really like the applicator for these. It's like a nice plastic tip that you just twist open. This is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this super fast tutorial. It's something you can do with your everyday makeup. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Bye!